So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have a parabola x square by 5 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1. And for this parabola S1 and S2 are the foci. You have drawn any tangent to this ellipse and F1 is the foot of the perpendicular of S1 on this tangent, F2 is the foot of the perpendicular of S2 on this tangent. So if that is so, what is S1 F1 into S2 F2? What is the product of these two lengths? Again, this is a very standard question. So you have already derived in a theory that the product of the perpendiculars from the foci on any tangent is equal to b square. So the value of this will be equal to b square is equal to 3 in this case. So this is a very standard property which needs to be remembered. So if you want to derive this, you can also derive this. Something like you just need to find the foot of the length of the perpendicular, product of the perpendicular distance S1 F1 and S2 F2. So for that, if you want to derive this, what we do is we take a general tangent. The general tangent to this ellipse is of the form y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square, that is 5m square plus 3. So that's the equation of the general tangent. So that's the equation of the general tangent. Now the first focus is AE comma 0, second focus is minus AE comma 0. It is 5, the value of A is root 5, the value of E has to be found out. So for this particular case, E is equal to root of 1 minus B square by A square, that is equal to root of 2 by 5, that is equal to root 2 by root 5. So E is root 2 by root 5, A is root 5. So AE comma 0 is root 2 comma 0 and minus root 2 comma 0. So these are the foci. Now what is the distance? What is the first distance? The first distance is y is equal to 0. So root 2m plus root of 5m square plus 3. Let me take any one side. So root m plus root of 5m square plus this by root of 1 plus m square. This is the first distance, first perpendicular distance from root 2 comma 0 onto this. And the perpendicular distance from minus root 2 comma 0 is minus root 2m plus root of 5m square plus 3 by root of 1 plus m square. So what is the multiplication of these two? So the denominator becomes 1 plus m square. The numerator becomes root 2m. So this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So you get a square minus b square. So 5m square plus 3 minus 2m square. That is equal to 3 times m square plus 1 by 1 plus m square. So these two gets cancelled and the value is equal to 3. So you can do this in a general way also for x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. But in the exam, you won't have time to do all this. So this is a very standard property which you need to remember. The product of the perpendiculars from the foci onto any tangent of the ellipse will be equal to b square. Thank you.